Good afternoon, sir. We are from Group 2. Our group have looked for data on the sleep time of 8A graders for 3 days. According to one study, adult scans aged 14 until 17 years sleep 8 until 10 hours per day. The purpose of our group look for this data is to find out the sleep time of children in grade 8A and present it in tabular form and find the average sleep time of children in grade 8A. We have found the data and this is our presentation.
In the table A, there are 15 data students that has been collected. 2 students with 16 hours of sleep, 2 students with 19 hours of sleep, 2 students with 21 hours of sleep, 3 students with 23 hours of sleep, 2 students with 24 hours of sleep, 2 students with 25 hours of sleep, 1 student with 28 hours of sleep, and 1 student with 34 hours of sleep. Table B, we got 15 data students that we have been collected to. We had 1 student with 15 hours of sleep, 1 student with 17 hours of sleep, 3 students with 19 hours of sleep, 1 student with 21 hours of sleep, 1 student with 23 hours of sleep, 4 students with 24 hours of sleep, 1 student with 25 hours of sleep, and 3 students with 27 hours of sleep.
This is how to get the median. Median divides the data equally, so this data is odd, so it's easy to find the median. We just have to divide the data equally, like cross out one number from the front and the back, one by one, until there is one number less. So we just have to cross out 16 with 34, 16 with 28, 19 with 25, 19 with 25, 21 with 24, 21 with 24, 23 with 23, and until there is one number less. In this data, the one number less is 23. So we have had 23 as the median. How to get the mean? You can see the f multiply x column here. After multiply all of it, like 16 multiply 2, 19 multiply 2, 21 multiply 2, 23 multiply 3, 24 multiply 2, 25 multiply 2, 28 multiply 1, and 34 multiply 1. We add all the score, and then we have had 341 as the result. And then we enter this result to the formula of how to find the mean. The formula of how to find the mean is the amount of data divided by how many the data is. After that, we divide 341 with 15 because 15 is how many the data is. And then we have had 22.73, and that is the mean. Last, I will explain about how to get the mode. Mode is the most of data. Finding the mode is the easiest way. We have to just look back at the table and find the frequency or the banyak siswa or how many students score and find the biggest score. In this table, the biggest score is 3. And then we just have to find of what hours of sleep that have 3 students in there. The hours of sleep that have 3 students in there is 23 hours. So we have had 23 hours as the mode.
Median of data B. Median. What is median and how to get a median? Median is the middle value in the data, and then how to get a median? It's simple. You just need the data and sort it from smallest to largest. And count the middle of the data there. Then you have had find the median. In the data, there are 15, 17, 19, 19, 21, 24, 24, 24, 24, 25, 27, 27, 27. Look for the middle and you have had find the median. And then the median is 24. Mean. How to find the mean of data B? It's simple. You just need to divide the amount of data by the total data, and then you have had the mean. So, in data B, the number of data is 300, and 35 divided by the number of data is 15. 335 divided 15, and the total is 22.5. So, that is the mean. Mode of data B. Mode. Do you how to find mode? I will tell you how to find it. First, you have to calculate many of the same values in the data, and then we can see the 24 has 4 times. So we have found the mode. The mode is 24.
Mean or average of data A is 22.73, and average at data B is 22.3. The difference between the two data is only 0.43 hours. The average of group A is higher than the average of group B. The mode and median of group A have been lower than the mode and median of group B. In group A, more children have slept 23 hours for 3 days, while in group B, more children have slept 24 hours for 3 days.
5. The median difference between the two data is only 1 hour. 6. The difference between the mode of group A and group B has been only just 1 hour. 7. The large data is group A is 34, while the large data in group B is 27. 8. The smallest data in group A is 60, while the smallest in group B is 50.
The mean sleep time of class 8A children between groups A and B is not much different. We could say the sleep hours of class 8A children have been almost the same. From the comparison of the data, the two are also not much different, only about 1 hour. Class 8A sleep time have already included healthy or enough sleep. That's all from our group.